Hi everyone, welcome to Coach Calculus channel. In this channel, I'm responsible for providing solutions to your mathematical problems. In case you're coming across this channel for the very first time, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when next you are looking for solution to your mathematical problems, you will easily locate this channel again. And trust me, I will give you straight to the point solutions. So in this particular video, we'll be dealing with this one you are seeing here, factorizing the difference of two squares. This is the part 3, which is more complex difference of two squares. And at the end of the video, if you found out that you didn't actually understand it very well, you can go and search for the part 1 or 2 so that you can follow up step by step. And without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. Solution. Then the number 1. For the number 1, we have 3 whole number 6 over 25. 6 over 25 x square minus 9 over 16 then y. So this is the expression for number 1. Now looking at this expression very well, you will notice here that this one is a mixed fraction form. So the first step is to convert it to improper fraction. So this one can be broken down into, that is 25 times 3 plus 6. 25 times 3 plus 6, that will give us 81 over 25 square minus 9 over 16 y square. Now the next step is we're also going to break down this one to perfect square form. Now what times what will give us 81? That is 9. And what times what will give us 25? That is 5. And then x bracket square. So this one now has been expressed as a perfect square minus this also. What times what will give us 9 is 3. What times what will give us 16 is 4. And then y square. So these two expressions is now in difference of two square form, which is as well. Now the two of them are in perfect square form and they are difference of two squares. So we are going to apply the difference of two square formula, which can be written, which is equal to 9 over 5 9 over 5 9 over 5x 9 over 5x minus 3 over 4y, close bracket, then open another bracket, 9 over 5 x plus 3 over 4 y. So this expression has been factorized and this is the answer to number 1. For the number 2, we have open bracket x minus y close bracket raised to power 4 minus z raised to power 4. So the first step here is to break down this one to perfect square form, and this particular one, which is bracket x minus y raised to power 4, can be written as can be written as x minus y square. Okay, because it was to the power of 4 before. Now we are breaking it down to power of 2. So it still have another 2 raised to power 2 inside and 1 outside. And this and for z raised to power 4 is equal to z square is equal to z square and then outside and then z square again. Just like what we did here, the same thing here also. And then if you notice very well, if we write out this now, which is this expression of x minus y close bracket square minus this function now minus this particular one, z square and then square again. Now if we observe very well, it is now in the difference of two square form. So if we apply the formula for difference of two square, we are going to have that this expression will give us open bracket open another bracket x minus y y square minus z square close bracket open another bracket, then the inner bracket again x minus y square plus z square and then you close the bracket. Now if you observe very well, this particular one still have difference of two square. So we are still going to break it down applying that same formula again. So this one now, let me bring it here so that the space will be enough for us. Is equal to open bracket. Now this particular one that is difference of two square now will be open bracket x minus y close bracket minus z then we close the bracket, open another bracket, then the inner bracket x minus y plus z plus z close the bracket. Now all of this one here now, it is for this and then this particular one now I'll write it out, then the inner bracket x minus y and then close bracket square plus z square so this one now is this, and then the next step is we're going to remove brackets for these ones. So equal to we are removing brackets, so we have x minus y minus z for the first one, and then this one we have x minus y plus z, and then this one we have open bracket open bracket then x minus y square square plus z square square. So this is the final answer to number 2. So we move over to number 3. Number 3, which is 36 m raised to power 4 minus square root of 16. Now the first step here is to break down these ones to the perfect square form. This 36 m raised to power 4 can be written as 6m square. What times what will give us 36 is 6. What times what now can give us m raised to power 4 is m square. So 6 times 6 will give us 36. M square times m square and then square, that is 4 times 2 times 2 to the power of m is equal to this, so this one now is now expressed in perfect square form, and then 16 and square root of 16 is equal to 4, which can be written as 2 raised to power 2 in perfect square form. 2 raised to power 2. So the next step here now is, let me arrange this and this according to this form. So I have 6m square in bracket minus 2 raised to power 2. So it is now expressed as difference of 2. So it's difference of 2. Now applying the formula, we're going to have, applying the formula of difference of 2 square, we're going to have open bracket 6m square 6m square minus 2, and then open bracket 6m square plus 2. So this is the answer to number 3 question. Alright, for the number 4, question, we have square root of 81 m raised to power 4. 81m raised to power 4 minus 9 over 4 Now the first thing now is to break down each of these numbers into perfect square form, which are now square root of 81m raised to power 4 can be written as 9m square 9m square, which again can be broken down into 3m 3m square. Wow, I've been making a mistake. This is not m, this is x. This is x, x. So it's a mistake. Sorry about that. X square. So and 9 over 4 can be written as 3 over 2 square. 3 over 2 square. Now this one now and this one, I want to express it in this way. So we have this one as 3x square minus 3 over 2 square. So it is now in the perfect square form, which is in difference of two squares. Now applying the formula, we now have that 3x square minus open bracket 3 over 2 square is equal to applying the difference of two square formula. We have open bracket 3x minus 3 over 2, 3 over 2, and then open another bracket 3x plus 3 over 2. So this is the answer to number 4. So this is the answer to number 4. And then we move over to number 5. Number 5, the expression is open bracket 9 plus 9 plus x close bracket square minus open bracket 4 minus x close bracket square. So this one now you can observe vividly that it is already in perfect square form. Now the difference of two squares. Now applying the formula, we have that plus s close bracket square minus 4 minus x square is equal to, now open bracket now we are applying the difference of two square formula. So we have this function now. We are going to have another smaller bracket inside. 9 plus x close bracket minus this open bracket 4 minus x close this one, and then close the larger bracket. Then open another larger bracket for the other one. So we have open the smaller bracket inside, have 9 plus x close the smaller bracket, this one will be plus, and then open the smaller bracket for this function 4 minus x, close the smaller bracket, and then close the larger bracket also. So now we are going to be simplifying. And this one will give us, now it's removing the bracket. Now we have 9 plus x minus 4 minus will affect minus to turn plus x plus s. Then you close the bracket, open the other bracket to have 9 plus x, 9 plus x plus 4 plus will affect minus, turn still minus x. Yeah, close the bracket and then simplify it further. We now have join the work with numbers and then letter to letter, number to letter, number to numbers, letter to letters. So 9 minus 4, that is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. Then x plus x, that is 2x. 2x. For this one now, this is what we got. And then for the other one, open your bracket, and then we have 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4, which is 13. Plus x minus x, that is 0. So the letter s has vanished. Does no longer exist. So the answer here is 13. So this is what we have. So this is the answer to number 5. We have actually come to the end of this video. Thank you very much for following through. If you think this video is a bit difficult, you can go and check the simpler ones on my channel, Coach Calculus. And if you are new to this channel, do well to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that when next you are looking for solution to your mathematical problems, you can easily locate this channel again. Thank you and God bless you.